Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a new PC build in 2026, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best PC cases of 2026, combining airflow, design, and performance. Number 1. Fractal Design North, Best Overall PC Case. The Fractal Design North is the perfect blend of style and performance, featuring real wood panels and excellent airflow. This case supports ATX builds, offers strong cooling with mesh airflow, clean cable management, and a premium minimalist look. It's ideal for gamers and creators who want performance without sacrificing aesthetics. Number 2. Lian Lancool 207, Best Budget Airflow Case. The Lancool 207 delivers top-tier airflow at a budget price. The multiple pre-installed fans, full mesh panels, and support for large GPU satiators, this case is perfect for budget gamers who want cool temperatures without overspending. Number 3. Lian Lancool 207 Digital, Best Case with Screen. The Lancool 207 Digital adds a built-in LCD screen for system stats and visuals. This case combines high airflow with a customizable front display that shows temps, usage, or animations. It's perfect for builders who want performance plus visual flair. Number 4. Lian Lancool 217, Best Performance-Focused ATX Case. The Lancool 217 is built for maximum airflow and high-end hardware. With massive front fans, spacious interior, and support for large GPUs and liquid cooling, this case is designed for power users and hardcore gamers who push their systems to the limit. 5. HAM HS420, a Best Premium Large Tower Case. The HAM HS420 is a premium showcase case